If you're looking for dependable, honest, and trustworthy service, look no further. Here at Auto Repair Specialist, we are an independent, family-owned and operated facility, faithfully serving the Freeport and surrounding areas since 1997.
Located at 3358 Illinois Route 26 South in Freeport.
Our mission is to provide quality auto service to all of our clients, because when you're with Auto Repair Specialist, we treat you like family. Our technicians have years of experience and the proper tools and training to get the jobs done right.
And after a full vehicle diagnostic, they can handle everything from tires, wheels, and brakes to electrical issues, oil changes, and engine repair.
They can handle everything, from the rubber to the roof. Drive with confidence with our gold certified Napa Auto Care Center warranty, which covers qualified services for 36 months, 36,000 miles. If we can't fix it, it's not broke. Stop in or visit us online at autorepairspecialistinc.com.